Hey everyone, so I've pulled a card for you all out there today asking what do you need to focus on to bring more money into your life today. And the Seven of Wands came through, and the message here is you've got so many worries about money, you've got bills coming in, like there's so many things you need to pay, and you just feel really overwhelmed with all the bombardment of all these outside stresses around money. And this card to me is telling me that you've got to remember you are in control of your money situation more than you think. You hold the power through your creative energy as to how much money you bring into your life. You're holding the power, and that's what you need to remember. All these things can come from the outside bombarding you, but just know that they can be there and that you hold the power and you can afford all these things. You can bring more money into your life. Just ask yourself, how much do I want to bring in? Why do I want it? And what will I spend it on? And then I also asked for clarification of this card as well. And the Nine of Cups, came through. And this basically indicates that you can have whatever you want. This life is yours. You just need to know what you want. So in regards to money, what do you want? And how will it make you feel having the money that you want? So big cheers to the universe. Ask for what you want. Let all those, worldly stresses of money, all the bills and the payments and the money going up and everything's expensive and all of that, let that fall to the floor and know I always have more than enough money and I can have whatever I want. Alrighty, let me know if this has been helpful and make sure you hit the like so I know you like it. Subscribe, hit the bell notification so you're notified of upcoming readings and videos that I do, and I'll catch you all soon. Bye.